This hack is on the Soul Treadmills. With this hack, you're going to save at least $150. The machine is making this really loud hissing, squeaking noise. And when you examine it, you realize that the noise is actually coming from the drive belt. So this little belt right here is what's making the noise. And all you have to do is replace that, and that will fix your problem. If you own a Soul, treadmill, bike, or elliptical, follow me for more tips like this.